Hi all! In today's video we will show you how to cast your Android phone to a laptop running on Windows 11. Let's begin. The whole process has two parts. The part 1 is setting up your laptop and the part 2 will be connecting from your Android phone. So this is part 1. We are setting up the laptop here. First, make sure that your Android phone and your laptop with Windows 11 are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for establishing a connection between the two devices. Next, make sure your Windows version is Windows 11 22H2 or newer. We can check that by clicking on Windows Start button and then clicking on the settings and then scroll down all the way and then click on the About section, and you can see under Windows specification my Windows version is Windows 11 Pro and it is 22H2. So we are good. We will enable the wireless display on the Windows laptop and make few settings. Click on the Windows Start button, click on the settings icon, scroll down and click on the projecting to this PC option. Now we are going to add the wireless display feature to our laptop since it is not already there, since we are doing this for the first time. Click on the optional features. Now click on the view features. Here we can search for wireless and then you see wireless display feature. You can check this box and then click next button here and then click on the install button. Now give it some time so that the installation will finish. Now we can see here that wireless display feature has been installed. In order to make few more settings, we click on the back button here. Once we are here, we need to make few settings here. Some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's okay. Here we need to make the selection available everywhere. And then in the second drop down box, we're going to select first time only. In the required pin for pairing, we can leave it as never so that we don't have to enter any pin, or if you want you can select other two settings. I will leave it at never setting so that I don't have to enter any pins, which will make it easier for me to connect to this laptop. There is another setting that we need to take notice of. This PC can be discovered for projection only when it is plugged into a power source. You can toggle this switch on or off, but keep in mind if the switch is on, then you need to plug in the computer to a power source. You can also turn it off so that you don't have to plug in the computer to a power source. We have completed our part 1. Next we will do our part 2, that is we need to do few steps on the Android phone so that we can connect it to our laptop.
Now we are doing the part 2 of the setup. You can see the Android phone and the laptop side by side. Swipe down on your Android device to display the notification panel. Here I am using the Samsung Z Fold 4. Look for the Smart View icon. Once you look at the Smart View icon, tap on it. On the next screen, press next. It's going to ask you for permission. Since we are doing this for the first time, you tap on continue. Now it is searching for the devices that are available, and here it found my laptop, and I can tap on my laptop name and then it is asking me whether it can connect to the laptop now using the Smart View. I tap on start now. So on the laptop I got a prompt asking me whether it should allow the Z Fold 4 to project onto this laptop. You click on the OK button. So now you can see the laptop is trying to connect. So you can see now my Z Fold 4 screen has been projected onto the laptop. You can also access more settings by clicking on this icon. As you can see, there is an option to change the aspect ratio, and also if you want to pause Smart View, you can press on the pause Smart View, or if you don't want to project anymore, you can click on disconnect. You can click on the change aspect ratio and then you'll be able to toggle from full screen on phone to full screen on connected device. This is how it will appear once you change that setting. Then I want to go back to the full screen on phone setting. This is the setting. Again I go back to the settings page, and then suppose I want to pause smart view. I click on the pause smart view. It is paused. The projection onto the PC is paused. If I want to resume, I click on this icon again, and then I click on the resume smart view. So now it has resumed again. And if I want to end it altogether, I click on that icon and then say disconnect. So now it has ended.
Bye.